When engineers also become leaders, there are no limits what they can achieve in the world. They can do great things.
We're here to help our students gain the skills in leadership and teamwork that they're going to need to be successful. Our end goal is to graduate students who are ready to lead in business and society.
Through experiential learning, they become better leaders.
Through multiple different exercises, a lot of it is hearing what others have to say about us, but also being very introspective and looking into our own skills.
We really combine the hard analytical skills with a more personal touch. So students learn about decision making for leaders, they learn about the best social science that's out there right now, but they also learn about themselves. They learn about their values, their purpose, their intentions for themselves and their world.
If I know my values, if I know my strengths, if I know what kind of difference I'll make in the world, the door is open to become excellent.
There's no better way to learn how to lead besides looking back at yourself and reflecting on yourself as a first step.
We really work with the students hands-on to help them learn not only how to solve problems, but how to identify problems and how to lead others to join them in solving those problems.
You need to be able to work with others. You're not going to be doing these things alone. A lot of times you're going to be working in big teams, managing a whole project. So it's incredibly beneficial to have this where you learn to work with others, learn to lead others, and learn to be led.
We put our students in all kinds of crazy situations. They build towers out of marshmallows and spaghetti. They wander around in a maze with blindfolds on. They have to solve problems as a team that involve moving a cup of water from one end of a room to another without touching it. All of these may seem a little silly, but they're very engaging, and at heart they have important teamwork and leadership lessons baked into them. And that's really part of our job, is to help students experience this and then reflect on their experience in order to extract learning that will really matter to them in more important areas of their life. So in addition to defining things like their ethics and their values and their purpose, students really have to have just the hard skills of management and leadership. So we teach them things like how to run a meeting most effectively, how to include people from different backgrounds on your team in a way that really leverages diversity. We teach them how to give and receive feedback, how to communicate collaboratively with others and to brainstorm, and how to resolve conflict in their teams.
These very bright and intelligent students develop and grow as leaders and start really behaving at their best.
I can say 100% that this is the most valuable class that I have taken at Cornell. You can use it to develop yourself to the best person that you can be.
We welcome alumni involvement. If you'd like to learn more about our program or to see how you can be a part of what we're doing, please feel free to reach out.